What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how to make a simple spray out of dish soap that will kill nearly any insect in minutes on contact. Making the spray couldn't be any easier. All you have to do is take an empty spray bottle, fill it with a short pour of dish soap, add warm water, and shake it up until it's nice and sudsy. Then go outside and hunt for insects. Spray the insects directly with the soapy water mixture. The insects will begin reacting immediately. While it's not fully understood why soapy water kills insects, it is believed the detergents react with their exoskeletons, causing it to dry out. In mere minutes, the insects will be dead to the touch. This effect isn't just limited to soft-bodied insects. I found this spray to be very effective on hard-bodied insects as well, like Japanese beetles, stink bugs, leaf-footed bugs, and even squash bugs. One word of caution, this spray should only be used in a targeted approach to spot treat insects. I don't recommend you broadcast spray soapy water all over your garden and heavily soak down your plants because you don't want all of that soapy water dripping into your soil. If you must broadcast spray an entire area, I recommend you use a natural insecticide like pyrethrin, because if you were to heavily soak down your plants with a pyrethrin spray and it drips into the soil, it will not be harmful. That being said, for spot treating insects, this is a nearly free way to do so without using any insecticides. If you need a source for a high quality spray bottle, or if you need something like pyrethrin extract for broadcast spraying, I will place links to them down in the video description for your convenience. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.